solving your skin concerns quickly and easily in your busy life, sign me in. I haven't tried other pads like these. Like, these are super lightweight, soft, and fully charged of the treatment. Annyeong! Hi, my name is Charlotte and welcome to my channel Belorraine. In today's video, I'll be reviewing MEDIHEAL's newest launch, which are the Daily Treatment Pads. And knowing that MEDIHEAL is the #1 brand to create these high quality sheet masks and creating small little daily pads, you got me there. Let's get to it. So I purchased these on Annyoung, but you can get these on Amazon, South Korean, you name it. Check on the description box down below. I have all the links. The price is just super affordable. Each of these containers have 100 of these pads. It's kind of like a gauze material. You can see like the little holes. It is very flexible. It's hyperallergenic. They're extremely soft. They will not irritate your skin. Love that these are refillable. You just take this off and pop the other one in, and that's it. I only purchased 2 of the 4 products that they launched. The Watermide Toner Pad. This is for dry, dehydrated, fatigued skin that needs hydration. Key ingredients are botanical extract and Icelandic glacier water. It has that cooling type of effect to depuff, but I didn't see this really depuffing my face, so yeah. First week that I used it, my skin was very soft and plumpy. This one has a more clear type of serum, obviously because it has the glacier water. On the other hand, I have the Collagen Ampoule pad. Key ingredients, which are collagen extract, ceramides, and milk protein. This helps to improve elasticity on your skin and to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This one is more milky and it's also the same consistency. It's very serum-y, it's very lightweight. I was very intrigued to try these and they did not disappoint. To be honest, I think I would continue using the Ampoule pads because I didn't see a huge difference on my wrinkles and my fine lines. It takes time to see the improvement, so I will keep you updated. So make sure that you're following me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok at Belorraine, the same handle for all of those social medias, because I will be posting updates of my product review videos. I will keep you updated for sure. I really loved the scent of these both. The Watermide has a more fresh, citrusy type of scent, and the collagen one is mostly like milky and fruity. I really do feel that they're super effective. If you are a busy mom, if you are studying or in college or whichever, and you don't have too much time in the morning, these pads can help you achieve that glowy and hydrated skin at the same time treating your blemishes or your irritation or to hydrate your skin. What I'm trying to say is that MEDIHEAL creates these types of products that are efficient, that are high quality, and that you can easily use them quickly, whether that's for a 15-minute boost or 3 to 5 minute treatment as well if you have a busy life. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up, some love. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Annyeong.